Oh yeah, for sure. That was great. Yo, that was wild. I'm not gonna lie, that low-key scared me, but that was wild.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That was sick, man.
Oh man, thanks for riding, man.
I'd really
For real.
Thank you.
That was crazy. Yo, that was crazy, bro.
I was trying to kill his ass. That's good.
I saw.
I was on his ass so bad.
You were. I was right behind
I see
you.
him, yeah.
No, I can do a lead run for you.
If you want, hey, we can wait for him or just
Okay.
go. He's fast as fuck.
I know he is. I saw that.
I told you.
He dipped out, and I was like, God dang.
Little dude liked it.
Bro. Yeah, he loved it. He absolutely loved it. All right, now I'm going to give Daniel a lead run. All right, YouTube. So I haven't been talking that much in this video, but we're going to be doing the 3-car tandem again. I think I didn't record the last one, I don't think. But got his 370Z in front of me, then it's me, and then it's Daniel who's in 350Z behind me. We're gonna see how we can do. That was nice.
That was epic.
That was
not
crazy.
nice. That was crazy.
Much angle, bruh.
That was awesome. You guys did a great job.
You was pulling so much angle, man. God damn. I was there though until the last corner. It was good. About roughly like half a car to a car.
Okay, I thought you were like right on him, kid.
No, I was like I almost hit you, then I slammed on the brakes and it made me spin out. Cause I transitioned with you, but then I was like too close, I was freaked out.
Yeah, I mean, I don't get that one, that transition is hard.
Yeah, cause like for me, I don't really use handbrake, I just kind of just whip it in there.
Yeah, mine's easy.
Oh yeah? Dang.
That was good, Trevor. That was
All right, how y'all want to do the order now?
What's that?
How y'all want to do the order now? I lead. All right.
What's up, guys?
What's up, man? I saw you jump that.
Oh, that's just fun.
I see.
You ready, Trevor?
Yeah. I messed around and transitioned way too hard coming out to the hill and spun out.
It's all good. Only vice right side.
All right, Tar, thank you. I'll
Unless
see you
it
later.
first or after transition.
Okay. Oh, I got you. The angle and all that.
You go a little bit conservative when you transition, and then you go on the gas or clutch kick and add point.
Okay, I got you. I got
There's more
you.
chance of spinning out if you like cross the wall. Transition. It's better to go a little conservative. And then
Yeah, because like on the first turn, I transitioned like what did I transitioned a little hard, and it made me go max angle, and then I went max angle again, and then that's why I spun out because it snapped too hard.
Yeah, like it's better to go half angle and then max instead of max and then half.
It wasn't too bad, honestly.
That was a good handbrake coming down the hill.
Yeah, because I knew as soon as I went down the hill, I was gonna mess around, mess up. Oh yeah, I guess you want to stop. All right, so we're gonna do a 4-car tandem this time. I just did a lead run in the last run, but I kind of went a little too shallow on the third corner. I got to figure out how to go a little bit wider so I can go all the way out. Messed up on the first corner. It's all right.
Good job, too.
So now we're going to do another 3-car train. It's going to be the 370. Trevor in front of me, and conveniently enough, my name is Trevor too. Me in the middle, and then Josh in the back, who has the FRS. So close, so close.
You had that.
I had that.
I was about to freaking scream, but I didn't want to mess you up.
Oh my God, I had that.
So good. Oh, dang, his whole back of his bumper came off. Trevor, that was so freaking good.
Oh my God, bro.
You had that.
That was so scary.
Bro, you out here looking like a whole professional. What the frick?
I can't wait to see the outside view. That was crazy. I was so freaking close. God dang, dude.
I'm starting to lose grip. That's why it's slowing down.
Oh really? Oh, wait. That was perfect for me.
Yeah.
I still end up spinning out in the last part because I don't really know what to do right there.
Yeah.
But overall, I was using like the handbrake to kind of keep it sideways, going straight.
Yeah.
But that was really good. You was going crazy. Cause at one point I like maxed out the angle because you had threw more angle. I matched it a little bit, but I was like borderline by the spin.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what like. It's so easy for me to want to just push it harder and like, push it further. And
I mean, to be honest, keep doing it because it looks crazy from my perspective.
It's cool.